Smiling.
Okay.
All right, so it's Carter's first birthday. We have a nice cake for him. He's 1 year old today. August 14th,
What are we gonna
2021. What do you think of your first birthday party, Carter? Huh? Wow. Happy birthday, dear Carter. Happy birthday to you.
That's something else. Oh,
What a nice baby. All right, you're gonna smash something?
really? And then he's gonna get your shirt all
All right.
dirty with his hands.
Ready, smash it. Go boom. Ready? There he is, the birthday boy with his birthday hat. All right, Carter's first birthday cake. He likes it. Does he like it? Yum.
Birthday, happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha.
Wow. There's the chicken on the grill and the corn for Carter's birthday. All right, so we're barbecuing. We got chicken and corn for Carter's first birthday. 1 year old today. August 14th, 2021. All right. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Carter. Happy birthday to you. Blow out the candle, make a wish. No, no, don't touch it. Just make a wish.
Okay.
All right. Grandma's gonna give you the ice cream for your birthday.
Ooh.
Like that?
Ooh.
Yeah, I think he thinks that's good, right? You think that's good?
Yeah.